Hello, future attorneys. I'm Keith from Last Call Bar Academy, and today I want to talk to those of you who are struggling with the MBE. If you've been studying the MBE for a long time and you still don't get it, I want you to quit thinking like a lawyer. Here's what I mean. Most test prep companies advise you to approach an MBE question like this. First, read the question. Second, read the fact pattern and spot the issues. Think like a lawyer. Third, recall the relevant rules and apply them to the facts. And fourth, predict the right answer and find it in the answer choices. Spotting issues, or thinking like a lawyer, is arguably the correct strategy for the essays. But here's the problem for the MBE: it takes too much time. And sometimes, when I focus on a particular issue, I get to the answer choices and I can't find my prediction. After a lot of frustration, I finally realized that there's no reason to spot issues at all. The answer choices will literally tell you which issues are important. So, what's the alternative? Instead of thinking like a lawyer, try thinking like a judge. Read the fact pattern and then pretend you're a judge presented with a legal question. What's more is that each party has already briefed two arguments presented in the answer choices. Your job isn't to spot issues, it's to find the best legal argument among the four answers, even if you personally disagree with the conclusion, and even if there's a theoretically better argument that addresses different issues. When I teach this strategy to students, the main benefit is that they stop arguing with me about the correct answer. Moreover, they stop arguing with the test. I don't care if you agree with the correct answer. The real question is whether it's the best of the four answer choices using these criteria. First, the correct answer will engage with the relevant rule. And second, the correct answer will be legally sufficient to justify its conclusion, where legal sufficiency is determined by the burden of proof. Here's the steps that we advise. First, read the fact pattern. Don't worry about the question yet. This is a shallow dip to determine who were the parties, what did they do, and who sued whom. Then read the question, but don't try to recall the relevant rule right away. Instead, focus on who bears the burden of proof. In other words, who's going to have a tougher time winning in court. Then read the answer choices, asking yourself which answer choices address a relevant rule, and finally, which answer choice is legally sufficient. Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you're still struggling with the MBE, reach out for more help.